Introduction. Hello friends, here you see some fruits are kept on the table. We have 5 mangoes, 3 apples and 2 pineapples. Describing in this manner is called data representation. Suppose you want to know the runs your favorite cricketer scored in last World Cup final. How will you know that? You have to look at the scorebook. The scorebook has all these data. Data handling is all about keeping the information safe. Friends, it is easier to find out things when they are kept properly. Well-arranged things are easy to handle. Similarly, organized data is easy to interpret. Unorganized data is called raw data. The given data represents a raw data. We can arrange this data properly by using a table. Tables help us to represent data in a well-organized way. Now let's do an activity. Take 2 dice. Throw both the dice together and note how many times the sum of numbers on both dice is greater than 9. Also note number of times sum is less than 9. Do this activity for 20 times and mark in the table each time. So we see that marking helps us to record data. These are called tally marks. Instead of counting each mark one by one, skip the count by 5s and add remaining marks to the count. This makes counting quick. Following table represents favorite game of few students. Look at the table and click the correct answers for the questions. Let us analyze the table representing favorite subject of the students of a class. Fill in the blanks by clicking the correct answer. Given chart is known as the bar graph. These graphs are another way of data representation. A bar graph uses bar to represent data. In the given graph, subjects are listed at the bottom and number of students is given at the side of the bar graph. In this graph, 9 blocks tell us about the number of students who like maths. Similarly, there are 7 blocks in EVS, 5 blocks in science, 4 blocks in English and 3 blocks in Hindi. Click the given block to fill the graph according to the data in the table. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Unorganized data is called raw data. Organized data is easy to interpret. Data